How do you find time to study languages? That's a question I'm asked all the time, especially when I explain that despite a demanding job, my wonderful wife and 2 sons and many interests, I do study languages every single day. So if you're having trouble finding time to study, or if you think you're too busy to learn a language, please bear with me, because this video will solve your problems. It's all a matter of priorities. I spend time studying languages because it's one of my priorities. I know that my time is limited, so I prefer focusing on the activities that are really important to me. I can go a day without TV, social media, or video games, but not without practicing languages. Here's a pro tip. Write down your priorities and refer to the list every morning. This way you'll be sure you don't get distracted by other less important activities. I hear people complaining all the time about not having the time to do something. While I can certainly relate to this feeling, my answer is always learn to make time. You are the master of your day and of your time. It's as simple as that. So take charge and deliberately decide how to spend your precious and limited hours of each day. To succeed at doing so, there is nothing better than taking out your paper or electronic agenda to book some time slots for activities you care about, such as learning languages. There are many ways to make time. One is certainly to reduce distractions. Another, which goes hand in hand with the first, is to avoid activities that provide immediate gratification but do not leave you with anything in the long term. Yes, I'm talking about social media and TV, for example. Let's talk about Facebook, Instagram, and co. A recent study conducted by Global Web Index revealed that on average we spend 2 hours and 22 minutes every day on these platforms. 142 minutes of your day liking cat videos or browsing your friend photos. Crazy, right? And if we add television, many people watch at least 3 hours of TV every day. Don't you think you could take 10-15 minutes a day to do something which could change your life, like learning a new language? And if you are a helpless social media addict, then watch one of my colleague Lizzie's latest videos where she explains how to turn these platforms in learning resources. Link in the description below. In another video called My Language Miracle Morning, I talked about my habit of waking up quite early every day to spend time doing things I love, such as learning languages. If you really don't have time and you don't spend time on social media, watching TV, or on other distractions, then this could be a good solution for you. No need to set your alarm at 5 a.m. Waking up just 20 minutes before you normally do can give you enough time to practice a language. This will have 2 other positive consequences. Whether you are a night owl or an early bird, your brain is fresher and less distracted in the morning, so your study session will be even more effective. By starting your day with a short study session, interruptions, distraction, and fatigue will be less likely to get in your way. You won't have to worry about accidentally putting it off, since it's the first thing you do. It might be obvious, but if you start observing people, you will notice that many people do not make the most of the time they spend waiting in line or commuting. We all have downtime, waiting for a doctor visit, queuing to pay after doing our shopping, and commuting to and from work. If you add it up, you probably have a lot of dead time, and some of it could be used to do productive things like reading books or, again, learning languages. And your smartphone can become your best friend during these moments of your day. With just a couple of clicks and taps, you can watch a video in your target language or learn some vocab by using your favorite language app, which I really hope is MosaLingua. To sum it all up, these are my tips for finding time to study languages. First, set your priorities and make sure that language learning is one of them. Second, learn to make time by planning your day and deliberately deciding how you spend your precious time. Third, avoid distraction and minimally beneficial activities. Fourth, wake up a little earlier and squeeze in those 10-15 minutes a day of study, which will really make a difference in the long run. Use your downtime as short time slots to practice languages instead of wasting it. As always, these tips are useless if you do not act on them. If I were you, I'd test one or more of them to see if they work for you. I think you'll be surprised at how quickly and radically they change the quality of your language learning and your life. Take care and happy learning!
If you learned something new from this video, give it a thumbs up. Then, hit subscribe and turn on your notifications. Have a look around our channel for more hacks and tips. And if you're watching on another social media platform, like or follow our page. See you next time.